To Pay by Revolut. You need to start by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, sign up for a Revolut account by providing your personal details and verifying your identity. After your account is set up, you will need to add money to your Revolut account, which can be done by linking a debit or credit card, or by making a bank transfer. To make a payment, open the Revolut app and navigate to the payment section. Here you can choose to pay by card, which will prompt you to select the card you want to use. Or you can use the money already in your Revolut account. If you are paying online, you can use the virtual card details provided in the app, which can be copied and pasted into the payment field. When paying in store, you can use your physical Revolut card, which can be ordered through the app. Simply tap your card on the payment terminal, or insert it and enter your PIN. For contactless payments, ensure that your card is enabled for contactless transactions and that the payment amount is within the contactless limit. To send money to someone else, navigate to the transfer section of the app, enter the recipient's details, and select the amount you want to send. You can also use the app to request money from someone by generating a payment link that can be sent to the payer. It is essential to keep your Revolut app and account information up to date, and to monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Revolut, such as foreign exchange fees or ATM withdrawal fees, and take steps to minimize these costs. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Revolut to make payments easily and securely, both online and in-store. Revolut offers a range of benefits, including real-time exchange rates, low fees, and budgeting tools, making it a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your money.